All right, some people are asking if the new DOT socket sets, the ones designed specifically for the Quinn Master set, how well they fit in the 5-drawer tool cart. Well, we got one in the shop. Let's line up and take a look at it. And here we have the Quinn Chrome Master sets. 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch, SAE, metric, with room to spare in the top box of the 5-drawer tool cart. As far as the impacts, they're down below. This is all 5 sets in one toolbox with plenty of room. I still have room for all the wrenches, for all the pliers, for some utility stuff, as well as screwdrivers and our pick trays, pick and hook trays. Now these are stackable if we wanted to go that route in a deeper drawer. And remember, we got the blue markings here for metric. SAE, we have the red. There's the shadow cutouts as well. And they can be easily picked up and moved about. They have the beveling on the side, color on the bottom. On the right-hand side, if you can see it in this light, it says 1/4 inch SAE chrome, so you always know what socket set they go with. All right, and remember, they're reversible. So if you want to put ones on that side, you could do that. In fact, we've played around because putting this down here blocks a lot of those. So on this one, we have it on the inside, but that means no deep on that side. But if we reverse it, then that gives it plenty of room to come down. All right, there you go. That's all of the main, was it 5 of the Quinn Master socket sets there that we have the trays for. That's the 3 chrome, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and 3/8, and then the 2 impacts, which are 1/2 inch and 3/8. We haven't gotten the adapters for them yet or the extensions, and we're gonna get around to doing the bit socket set here soon. That's the big news. If you missed it, if you missed the live stream, we have come out with our own line of products. The first 2 products are trays for the Quinn Master socket sets. These are specifically designed, measured down to the 1 thou or whatever it was with the caliper, and manufactured here in Montana, made with high impact and chemical resistant PETG plastics. All right, and we make them ourselves, we ship them ourselves. It's all local, made in Montana here, okay? Same with the socket trays, and we're gonna start coming out with more stuff, more solutions specifically designed for the tools you have, because personally, I'm really tired of the whole, one size fits none kind of solution that's out there. And we're aiming to fix that. If there's other products you think we should be designing solutions for, put it down below in the comments. In fact, if you've got yourself a caliber and you got some of the tools, email me at red@dentatools.com and maybe we'll come out in a solution for that one if there's enough need for it out there. Anyway, let me know. Links to everything are down below. It's dentatools.com. You can check it out. Thanks to everyone who's already ordered. We've had a ton of support. We're making them right now as I speak. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.